Is your localized zip compression orchestration apps not working because of the dzip32.dll? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows support specialist, and I'll help you re-register that library and end the crashes. Quickly resolve dzip32 inconsistencies with the official optimization software linked below. This is the dzip32, a 32-bit legacy zip compression module. It provides unmanaged C routines for creating and extracting .zip archives in older software. It facilitates the localized file header parsing required for localized data extraction. Now that you're up to speed on the file's role, let's begin the repair process. The presence of dzip32.dll is required for the localized zip compression orchestration engine to function, so you should perform a clean reinstall of the application, showing the error to redeploy the correct version of this dependency. When the primary installation path fails, a more surgical approach to checking your system's environmental variables is required. A quick system restart is a practical way to ensure that all shared libraries, including dzip32, are being loaded correctly into the current session's memory. To keep this tutorial handy, make sure to bookmark it, or hit like button before you reboot. It saves you from having to look for the video again once you're back online. I know it's frustrating if the restart didn't work, but don't worry, we have a more advanced solution ready. If you need to pause the video to take a breath, please do. If the restart didn't fix the library error, we need to manually repair the specific C++ redistributable package. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable, 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. I want to share a quick best practice that will help you avoid security complications in the future. The version of dzip32.dll found on most download sites is often compiled for different hardware, which can cause your CPU to work harder or crash. For those looking for a professional-grade monitoring resource, I've provided a link to a diagnostic tool for you below. The diagnostic utility referenced below offers general information for managing dzip32 and maintaining system health. I hope this walkthrough provided the clarity you needed to fix dzip32. Please like the video to support the channel and subscribe for more system-level tutorials.